to this guy Patrick Ho, who's already been convicted of bribery. Convicted, he pays Hunter Biden. But what's the connection between Albania and China and CEFC, where Hunter was doing the business? Let's go back to the New York Times, 2018. Chinese energy conglomerate, CEFC, was modeled on Xi Jinping's vision of a stronger China. And it went where Xi wanted China to go. Well, CEFC struck deals in the United Arab Emirates and Calaveras. The back I don't believe it. It also courted top leaders in places like Albania, Slovakia, Bulgaria, Sudan. That's so good. So the Chinese energy company connected to the Chinese Communist Party that's paying Hunter Biden for multi-million. He's also courting leaders, political leaders, maybe like the Prime Minister in Albania. Wouldn't it be really nuts if the Prime Minister of Albania was working over this FBI agent too? That would be really crazy if the Chinese were looking to influence leaders in China and he was connected to this FBI guy. That would be really strange. Oh, so you could just go to the indictment and you could just read this part 3. Following the FBI September travel to Albania, the defendant Veronica maintained an ongoing relationship with the Albania. What the hell? What's the chances of what? Oh my God, that is geez, the crazy film. Wait, someone, is there an antidote? This is just Hunter Biden and the Biden family may have known about all this. Here, let me really kick you right now. Let's make this thing even crazy. Because this is where the story gets really I haven't given you all the details. Here we go. Here's where it gets really, really crazy. Here's a piece from 2023. The Albanian Prime Minister appears to be involved in a narco-trafficking conspiracy involving the Sunol cartel. This is from Washington Examiner. That's the same cartel responsible for narcotics smuggling into the United States. And for whatever reason, the Biden administration doesn't appear terribly bothered by this. What the hell? That is so crazy, dude. What is going on? So Hunter Biden connected to this finest Chinese spy chief in his own words, working for an energy conglomerate, working with an FBI guy according to his new indictment, while the Biden administration ignores the Albanian Prime Minister's role in narco trafficking. Oh man, did you hear that on the news? You only heard it here. He's ignoring it because Joe Biden is a foreign agent. I'll be right back. Hi, this is Dan Bongino, inviting you to save a life. Like many moms with unplanned pregnancies, Julia was being pressured to get an abortion. She was confused and didn't know what to do or who to talk to. I referred to a preborn pregnancy clinic where she was counseled and supported with the strength she needed to choose life.
I just knew that if I got an abortion,
Preborn clinics provide hope, love, and free ultrasound for moms like Julia. Ultrasound literally doubles a baby's chance of life. You can be a part of saving the most vulnerable unborn baby. These precious ones need our help. One ultrasound session costs $28, and $140 will sponsor 5 ultrasounds, helping to save 5 babies' lives. Please call now, pound 250, and say keyword baby. That's pound 250, keyword baby, or donate securely at preborn.com/Bongino. That's preborn.com/Bongino.
Did you or someone you know lose money in the market in 2008? Do you think a crash like that will happen again? Do you want to have what happened to your money last time happen again? What are you doing differently to prevent that? If your retirement savings are invested in the market, reposition that money and protect it from losses sooner than later. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 5 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach free workshops in San Mateo, Mountain View, Livermore, Alamo, and Granite Bay. Wednesday through Friday, March 15th through the 17th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-73-RADIO. That's 1-888-73-RADIO, which is 1-888-737-2346. 737-2346.
A better life with Dr. Sanjay Gupta.
Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis. Some people refer to it as the wear and tear arthritis. Why? Doctors see this a lot in people's hips and knees when the cartilage or the cushion between the bones starts to wear down. Now, one of the most common treatments is steroids, but that quick fix could actually make the problem worse, according to the UCSF and Chicago Medical School. They say that corticosteroids are a fast way to get pain relief and control inflammation, but may not be a good option for long-term treatment. Repeated injections could put you at risk for other problems, such as infections, because corticosteroids do suppress your immune system. What works better? Well, no surprise, reducing your BMI, staying active. They have both been shown to improve arthritis. I'm Dr. Sanjay Gupta, helping.
If you like burritos, which you do because everyone does, you should try Taco Bell's Chipotle Ranch and Salsa Verde grilled chicken burritos. These masterpieces start with a warm flour tortilla that we stuff with grilled chicken. But the real stars here are the bold sauces, Chipotle Ranch or Salsa Verde. In fact, the chicken is sauce is shot like this mic is a stage for me to spotlight my theatrical range. 2 chicken burritos, 2 bold flavors, $2 each. Order on the Taco Bell app. The participating Taco Bell locations store for prices, hours, and participation, which vary. Tax extra, +++.
How long does it take to tackle a home project? With Angie, you could cross it off your list before this ad is over. Just tell us what you need. Indoor or outdoor, repair or redesign. And we handle the get it done. You don't have to lift a finger, except to tap the screen or click the mouse. Plus, Angie is free to use. So bring us your next home project, and we'll bring it home. The app or go to Angie.com. That's ANGI.com to get.
Informative 3 hours you'll have all day. The Dan Bongino Show.
So there's this very informative instructional video. I really wish the DOJ and FBI would have listened. Before they took up the investigation of this FBI agent they revealed yesterday, where it's likely they did so trying to nail Trump to the wall, because it turned into what's going to be, I think, the biggest link in the investigation into Hunter Biden. They should have listened to this video. I've got it for you. Hold on. It's deep, it's philosophical, there's a lot of fancy language in it, but it's short, so don't worry. It's not over anyway. Okay? Hold on 1 second. Are the Biden administration's New Year's goal of taxing and inflation at odds with your goals of securing your savings? When you finally had enough of the games government's playing with your savings and retirement, diversify into gold. The company I use, bought gold from them many times, Urge Gold, EIR. Geopolitical turmoil and stock market crashes. Here's the thing. You can still get it. In fact, you can own gold and silver and a tax shelter retirement. Urge Gold makes it easy to convert an IRA or 401k into an IRA in precious metals. Here's what you need to do. BONGINO 989890 to claim your free information kit on gold, and then talk to one of the precious metal specialists there that'll hold your hand through the whole process. With an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, thousands of happy customers, and countless 5 my future. Text Bongino 989898 today. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Message and data rates apply.
Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Here's the instructional video the FBI and DOJ probably should have listened to before they prosecuted this guy, hoping to nail Trump. And it really looks like you're going to nail Biden. Here, listen.
I want to find at a level of 7.
straight to my gradient line. Where it intersects with my gradient line, I'm going to come straight down to where it intersects with my around line. Now, Darren's going to tell me to find out what I need to find out. See, as you can see, the more you around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you sit down here and you never around, you'll never find out. So I hope this lesson is helpful. Thank you. Well, thank you, sir. That is a PhD in the UFAFO, which is a very advanced level course, like supply chains and stuff like this. It's very complicated. Didn't decide they were going to F around with Trump and try to investigate Deripaska because of his ties to Manafort. They probably wouldn't realize that Deripaska was working with an FBI agent who, the allegations, is working with an Albanian, working with a Chinese energy conglomerate, which is likely working with Hunter Biden. You see how that works? When you open up that Pandora's box and that can of worms? How the classified document scandal materialized? Probably all happened because they were trying to get Trump and tripped over Joe Biden. All right.
Are you the parent of a 2 to 7-year-old? Listen closely for an exciting free radio offer. By now you've probably heard of ABC Mouse, the Parents' Choice Award-winning online learning program that's actually changing the lives of early learners everywhere. ABC Mouse is like a little one-on-one team. It helps her so much. Right now we're offering a special radio promo to try it free for a month, but you have to go to abcmouse.com/radio to claim your free month. That's abcmouse.com/radio. Sponsored by Age of Learning.
Always wanted to learn Spanish, but I never thought I'd have the time. Then I discovered Babbel.
Babbel lessons are fun. They only take like 10 or 15 minutes, and in 3 weeks, presto, starting to speak another language, like magic.
I love that Babbel's lessons aren't just robots talking. They're voiced by native speakers, so you get the pronunciation just right. If you want to learn a language, there's no faster, easier, better way than
Babbel.
Babbel.
Babbel. Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's BABBEL.com. Babbel.com. You want to eat healthy, but have you ever read the ingredients list off of your favorite snack? Between the hard-to-pronounce ingredients and man-made additives, it's difficult to find any real, natural ingredients. Even some of my favorite organic snacks have ingredients I haven't heard of. At Balance of Nature, we real nutrition that can only be found in real food. That's why the only thing our ingredients list are real whole fruits and vegetables. No additives, fillers, or artificial ingredients of any kind. Balance of Nature is the best whole fruit and vegetable product on the market, delivering your body everything it needs to function at its very best. Eat better and feel better. Start your journey to better health. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get free. Forget to get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO. KSAN HD2 San Mateo, a Cumulus media station.
This is a Fox News alert. Someone else finds classified documents. Lisa Brady. Mike Pence notifying Congress today that documents with classified markings were found in week from his time as vice president. His team told the National Archives, which then formed the FBI. This comes amid the ongoing probe of documents found in President Biden's home and former office, including some from his time as a U.S. Senator, which raises specific questions because of restrictions for lawmakers on viewing documents.
I'm not certain how, because I've never taken classified documents outside of our SCIF, so I don't know that.
Maryland Democratic Senator Ben Cardin, the Senate Intelligence Committee, has its first briefing of the new Congress today in a SCIF, a secured room for classified access. Just getting word of a deadly convenience store shooting in Washington state. At least 3 people killed. Police in Yakima saying it appears to have been a random shooting during pre-dawn. They are searching for a suspect. An apology on Capitol Hill at a Senate hearing about antitrust concerns in the ticket industry after the Ticketmaster meltdown during the pre-sale of Taylor Swift tickets.
These issues are symptomatic, I think, of a larger problem. The ticketing lack competition, and they are dominated by a single entity.
Senate Judiciary Committee Chair Dick Durbin leading bipartisan concern. Live Nation President Joe Berchtold telling lawmakers.
Since our 2010 merger with Ticketmaster, We have invested over $1 billion in capital to improve the Ticketmaster system.
While apologizing to customers, he's mostly at scalpers using bots along with unprecedented demand for the problem of Swiss tickets. Google could face an antitrust lawsuit over the way it runs its digital advertising business. Sources telling Reuters about 8 states will join a Justice Department suit against parent company expected to be filed this week. America is listening to Fox News.
Democrats say that high inflation would go away after the Fed's rate month. The numbers prove nothing has changed. In fact, food and housing prices are still going higher. Meanwhile, Biden is still finding ways to print more dollars. Hi, this is Stephen K. Bannon, and I encourage you to take action to protect inflation now by diversifying your current retirement funds into a physical gold array from Birch Gold. See how it works? Text the word protect to 989898 and Birch Gold will send you a free info kit. This 20-page guide will answer all your questions about using gold in your retirement account. This is the best way to stop your purchasing power from being stolen by Democrats like Joe Biden. So text PROTECT to the number 989898. That's PROTECT to 989898 to get your free info kit on gold. There's no obligation or purchase required.
This report is sponsored by BestRV.com.
They're having a giant blowout sale the entire month of January at Best RV Center. From Class A, B, and C motorhomes to travel trailers, you name it, they have it. A great selection, great prices, no hidden fees at Best. BestRV.com.
This is a trusted site.
This
This is a trusted site.
Find free resources for students.
Your wellness at calhopeschool.org.
What do you do if you can't pay your taxes? Turn your so we can negotiate with the government for you. And in almost all cases, you don't have to deal with the government. Take advantage of all your qualified options, like offering compromise. Part of what you owe, either in monthly installments or one payment. Monthly payment plan that works for you is acceptable to the government. Penalty forgiveness. Hardship deferral. The government leaves you alone until you overcome your challenge, such as job or business loss, illness, or other situation. Decent spouse. If your former spouse causes sex problem, shift it to them where it belongs. Or we discuss your case with you so you'll have a complete understanding of how we plan to help you. We'll work with you in your situation before it becomes a tax problem, because we want to put a final end to all tax problems. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888-TAX-DEAL. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888-TAX-DEAL or Moskowitz LLP.com. MOSKOWITZ-LLP.com. We'll check traffic here on KSFO right after this. This report is sponsored by Lowe's. Save big, more wine, and a truckload of it at Lowe's happening now. For a limited time, get up to 50% off collectibles and accessories. Shop the event in-store online today. Valid 12 days, $125. Multiply class and selection varies by location. See Lowe's.com for details.
Still big delays for BART between West Oakland Station and Embarcadero. We have a 10-minute delay on the Antioch line due to an earlier incident. It looks like all trains are making normal stops now. Sunnyvale 85 northbound for Fremont Avenue. You have a 3-car crash. That traffic stop and go from Saratoga Avenue and the Bay Bridge 80 West. Parking lot. That's traffic. I'm Katie Green.
This is a trusted site.
This is
This is a trusted site.
Find free resources for student and educator wellness at calhopeschool.org.
Let's be honest, the world can be a challenging place, but when we come together, we realize just how high we can soar. Autistic children, teens, and adults will continue to break barriers and reach new heights. With your support, we will continue to be by their side. To donate, visit autism